guys, welcome back to Motorclothes. Darlene here. I have Betty here today and she's going to help me showcase off the new jackets that we got in. I've been listening to you guys and I know that y'all have been wanting new riding jackets, so I got new riding jackets. So for the first one, now be mindful, we do have men's and women's in these jackets. So if men, you see the jacket that Betty has on, you're like, ooh, I really like that. Cool, we have it in a men's jacket too. So no worries there, just come in and see me and we can go ahead and get you all set up for your jacket. The first one is gonna be the Switchback Jacket. It did come out last year, but I went ahead and got it in. The cool thing about this jacket is you can transform it from this textile completely into a mesh jacket. So what happens is you have these zippers all in the front, Velcro. What you do is you like roll it, and then you snap it. So you do that with both sides. So you see this side is just regular textile, and then you can transform it into a mesh. And then on the back, you can do the same exact thing. This whole back piece comes out. There we go. Okay, and so you just take it and you roll it. And you're gonna like tuck it right underneath here. It's like a little pocket. And then you're gonna snap both of these. And you still have the Bar and Shield logo right there. So no worries. And then the same thing, Betty, open your arm. Same thing with the arm. So right under here, you see, you have this arm. And you're gonna do the same exact thing with this. You're just gonna Velcro it out. And this goes all the way down. So then you're just gonna roll this. And just tuck it under there. And snap it. Now this is all for the same side, so you can do everything all the same. And then you have the reflective piping on this. You can also add body armor onto the elbows and the shoulder pads. This does have the action back right here for extra mobility and on the bike. And then you have these side zippers, give you extra room. Double zipper, you have a double zipper on the front. So this is just to give you, when you're on the bike, you can open up the double zipper and you're not gonna be all bunched up while you're riding on the bike. So that's a pretty cool thing that you do. All right guys, so this is the Switchback Jacket, and then you can transform it from a textile all the way to a mesh jacket, and this has venting pockets. So most of our jackets have heated pockets, but this one has venting pockets, so it's pretty cool. So it's a cool jacket. Betty, give them a whirlwind. So this is gonna be the men's jacket for you guys. I just wanted to show it to y'all. You can see it's literally the same exact jacket, just a few little differences. We do have the Harley-Davidson down the sleeve right here. Just a few little differences, but it's kind of the same. And then the back, instead of it being all cursive, like the ladies is, it's just straight print, the bold print on the back. But it's basically the same exact jacket, just a few differences. Thank y'all.